Earlier this week, the Lafayette Parish District Attorney's Office filed a petition to disqualify former Youngsville Chief of Police Rickey Boudreaux from running in this year's special election.
The petition appeared in front of a district court judge today to determine the outcome. News 10's Jasmine Dean has been following the developing story and has the outcome.
Rickey Boudreaux, Youngsville's former police chief, is officially disqualified. This comes after a district judge ruled in favor of a petition disqualifying Boudreaux from running in this year's special election.
Didn't go in my favor this time. We'll see what the next election brings.
A Lafayette district judge ruled Rickey Boudreaux ineligible to run in the November 5th election. In a testimony, Boudreaux announced his candidacy in June, although he says he was aware of the law but continued to qualify in case no one challenged his candidacy.
I felt like if I did not fight for the position that I wanted, that I was not only doing myself a disservice, but the citizens of Youngsville.
A registered voter in Youngsville provided evidence on Boudreaux's qualification being illegal to the Lafayette Parish District Attorney's Office. This started an investigation which led to a petition disqualifying Boudreaux being filed. Boudreaux says despite the outcome of the judge's ruling, he believes in the power of the people.
I'm a firm believer that the people know what's best for them, and they would be the ones to decide who they want as their elected officials.
When News 10 spoke with Louis Perrette, the Lafayette Parish Clerk of Court's office, we're told, quote, "I agree with the court's ruling that the Clerk of Court performed its required duties and didn't do anything wrong, and we wish the parties well," end quote.
I say good luck to the other candidates in the race. I think the city's in a win-win situation. They have good candidates to pick from, and hopefully they'll make the decision and that candidate can flourish in that position and the department can continue to grow.
In Lafayette, Jasmine Dean, KLFY News 10.
Legally, Boudreaux cannot run in this year's special election. However, it does not disqualify him from running for other offices or the city's chief of police in the future, and he says he plans to.